The silly little dinos are chasing the dragonfly.
Stego, let's quickly catch that thing.
It's not that easy, Trike.
Stego is busy catching the dragonfly, and in the meantime, the storm came at a sudden. Trike is a moment away from panicking, but now he will. More panic, more walking. The little Trike is facing jump scares in terror. The story is getting terrible. Trike is getting yeeted away. Trike safely flew and fell into T-Rex's cave. Trike, what are you doing here?
The storm threw Trike here.
Hey, what about Stego? After looking for some time, he spotted Stego. He ran towards the empty space to call Stego. Stego! Stego!
Ah! Oh no!
Meanwhile, the little Stego is walking away mindlessly and getting yeeted by the wind helplessly. T-Rex is searching for Stego again, while Stego is watching the wind collapsing the trees. Stego in an enormously panicked mode. Meanwhile, T-Rex spots Stego and runs there. He quickly grabs Stego out of danger. And carries him safely to his cage.
Thank you, T-Rex.
T-Rex and the baby dinos began laughing off about the incident.